Hi friends, welcome back to my channel SciTech Guru. In this video, I'll do the charging test on the OnePlus Nord 2 device by using the dual SIM card starting from 0% to 100%. Yes, so it's my first time doing this kind of test on the OnePlus Nord 2 just to check how quick the phone can actually charge if you're trying to use a dual SIM card. Every time before I used to use airplane mode, and few of the users already mentioned that can you please try to charge when there's a signal, when there's a SIM cards. So don't put in the airplane mode because every day we'll be charging our phones using only the SIM cards without keeping in airplane mode. So I can definitely understand friends, I can totally agree with that. So right now the phone is completely dead to 0% at this moment, and I'll try to write down exactly when the battery charges to 100% and when it shows fully charged. There's a difference between showing 100% and there's a difference of showing fully charged. This is what I'm going to demonstrate in this video. Right now the phone is completely dead to zero. I'll try to connect the charger and immediately I'll try to turn on the stopwatch just to check how much time it actually takes to turn it back on. Let me connect the charger. So right now the charger is successfully connected and is a stopwatch, and let me to start the stopwatch as soon as we see some notification on the screen, so you get a proof that I connected the charger. So one more thing, whenever you charge your OnePlus Nord 2 in the switch off mode, the phone will automatically turn on. That's the one thing you should definitely understand. Right now the phone will be able to start. As I said, the phone will start, and let's see. So I'll try to show you the even SIM card. So there are dual SIM cards in the phone. I'm trying to start from the exactly when the phone turns on. So from the starting to end. So this is my first time doing like this kind of test just to calculate how much time it actually takes. Just even I want to know, so what will be the exact time taken in the OnePlus Nord 2 starting from 0 quite dead to completely fully charged. This is a complete circle. So I'll need to log in. Let me to log in, enter the password, and 1 second. Here we go. And as you can see friends, right now they are dual SIM card and exactly phone percentage is exact 1% right now. You can clearly see I did not turn on any kind of Wi-Fi, no mobile net, and nothing is enabled in the background. You can clearly see here. Let me disable the GPS as well. So dual SIM cards, I'm trying to charge the phone and I'm trying to clear everything from the background, so all the apps are completely clean from the background and the phone is in right now completely off. So right now you should be able to see the phone is getting charged. So I'm going to be back after maybe close to 10 minutes of time, then we can actually see what is happening with the charging speed in the OnePlus Nord 2. Right now the temperature in the beginning it's of 35 and 34, not bad. Let's see after 10 minutes how much temperature can actually increase in the OnePlus Nord 2 device. So this is a charging which I'm trying to use with the OnePlus Nord 2 65 watt rapid charge only. Right now friends, we are getting close to exactly 10 minutes of continuously charging the OnePlus Nord 2 device. So exactly around 10 minutes I'll try to press the power button, and then we'll be able to see what is the charging percentage in this phone, and then I'll try to calculate the temperatures, how much it is. So right now exactly around 10 minutes of time, the phone charged to 45% of time, 45% of the battery. So let me to write down the 45% in 10 minutes of time, and the temperature slightly I can feel slightly kind of high temperatures, but let's check. It's showing about close to 35.8 degrees and 35 degrees. On the back side showing 35.4 degrees. So now we can see 35 degrees as the highest during this time, 36 Celsius as well. 36.4 I don't think, yes, 36.2. So 36 Celsius is the highest temperature recorded for the first 10 minutes of time. And battery percentage charge, let's see how much time the more the phone gonna take to charge. 50%. So this I'll try to write down exactly the time when the phone takes to charge 50%, and this complete test I am doing only using the two SIM cards, Airtel and the Jio. You can see clearly two SIM cards in the phone. This complete test I am trying to do. As I said, this is my first time doing this kind of testing, and right now the phone charged to 50% exactly around 11 minutes of time. So the phone is really fast friends, very fast in terms of the charging speed. So 11 minutes of time the complete OnePlus Nord 2 took to charge 50%. So again I'll be back after 20 minutes of time. So right now as you can see friends, it's kind of little bit kind of late. So right now the battery percentage is kind of 82% exactly, you can see. Sorry for that. So let me write down the readings. So maybe I may decrease 1%, so 81%. And right now the temperature is kind of close to 36 degrees, 36 Celsius only overall. So I thought of writing exactly around 20 minutes of time, but I got a call, so that is the reason I did not write exactly. Sorry for that kind of break, but still. So I was able to write just decrease 1%. So overall the temperature is remaining around 36 Celsius during this time of testing. Let's see friends, again I'll be back exactly when the battery percentage line of close to 99%, then we can actually discuss what is happening with the battery percentage levels. So right now as you can see friends, the time is about close to 27 minutes of time and the battery charger to 99%. You can clearly see 99% in 27 minutes of time. It's kind of 28 minutes as well. So I'll try to write down exactly when the battery charger to 100%, and I'll try to even wait for some time when the battery shows fully charged. So right now it's 99%, still not charging to 100%. And exact around 29 minutes of time, the phone charger to 100%, and still the symbol is showing charging only. As you can clearly see, showing charging, but it will take some time to show the message charged. That is what I'm trying to look after. So right now I'll try to write down the time, which is 29 minutes, the battery fully charged in the OnePlus Nord 2. So again I'll be back when the phone says fully charged. So this is a symbol. Right now it's charging, we should get the message charged. Okay, so then again I'll be back, and then we'll try to calculate how much more time it actually takes from 100% to fully charged. So let's get started. Again I'll be back after some time. So right now friends, exactly around 37 minutes of time, the OnePlus Nord 2 showed the charged indication. As you can clearly see, charge indication completely. So it did take, I think, close to maybe 8 minutes of time, 7 to 8 minutes of time. Sometimes it may vary. So final time is about close to 37 minutes of time. The OnePlus Nord 2 has been completely charged to 100%, fully charged. This is the meaning, fully charged means. So thank you friends for watching this video. This is a quick review on the OnePlus Nord 2 charging test using the dual SIM card and using the fully charged mechanism from 0 to 100%. And in case if you are interested in this kind of more videos, make sure to hit that subscribe and don't forget to follow the playlist which are created for the OnePlus Nord 2 playlist. This playlist will give you the clear idea what is going on with the OnePlus Nord 2 as well. Meanwhile, signing off friends. Bye.